AP Physics, it's Mr. Simpkins in the corner with your weekly update. All right, here's the plan for the week of 4-6 to 4-8. We are all for Thursday for teacher in-service. Friday is the beginning of the Easter break because we're all going to visit our family, right? No, we're not. But here's the plan for this coming week. Take a look at these slides. First thing I want you guys to do, I've screened the Khan Academy lessons for simple harmonic motion, and I'd like you guys to watch the first two up here. You can skip the one that says equation for simple harmonic oscillators, but I'd like you to take a look at those first two lessons, about 14 minutes each. And that's all I want you to do is watch those two lessons. Then there's very quick practice exercises. There's two of the, practice exercises. They're like 4 questions you got to get right each. Very straightforward, very basic. So I'd like you guys to watch those two lessons, complete the 2 practice exercises, then snip and submit your completed exercises to the Canvas assignment you'll see on Monday on your calendar. All right, so that's all you got to do for Monday. Tuesday, we're going to finally kick off the Zoom conferences. I've set up Canvas so that on Monday morning, you're going to get an announcement for your specific class period that will tell you, it will give you the link for the Zoom meeting, and it will also give you the password to get into the meeting. So I look forward to chatting with you guys. The goal of Tuesday is to talk about what you guys learned in the Khan lessons from Simple Harmonic Motion, and I can field any questions that you have. I can turn our meeting into a whiteboard if I need to, and we can do that. Then on Tuesday, after our meeting is concluded, you can tune in for as long as you need help for. After that, we're gonna I'm gonna it's actually already up there, but there's an Albert assignment. It just says simple harmonic motion check-in number 1. It's 5 questions, very manageable. I'd like you to finish those 5 questions up in that Albert assignment. Then for Wednesday, I'm going to post the free response practice question from 2015, number 5. And that question is actually a simple harmonic motion question. Go figure. So I'm going to see where we're at and how we can apply these ideas in a free response question. Once you've taken a crack at that one, or if you have no idea what you're doing, if you need a little help along the way, I'd like you guys to go to the Simpkins Physics Corner. I'm going to post a video of me solving that problem live, and then I'd like you to use the grading guides that are up in the course files to evaluate your response to see how you're doing. We have this little break, and I'll come back for more with what's happening the week after that. But we will be looking at a simple harmonic motion exam, if you will. So there'll be these little assignments along the way. Our grading structure is going to be different for the 4th quarter since we don't have labs anymore, at least not in the traditional sense. But what you can expect is that because our AP exam is going to be at home submitting files free response, I want to get you used to that. And so in order to do that, I'm actually going to assign you one of the free response questions from the AP Classroom, which I'll review next week how to log into. I'll be assigning a question out of the classroom as a free response as our assessment for simple harmonic motion. So I'm going to do that earlier in this week. I'm going to assign that to you earlier in the next week because I expect that there'll be issues with, hey, how do I upload this picture? How do I get this file in the right spot? But I want to give us the opportunity to get all those kinks out of the system now, because that's what you're going to be expected to do, is submit your work to the College Board, and you only have 45 minutes to do it. So we want to make sure we're really smooth on that. So that's the plan for next week and the week after that. We're looking at wrapping up simple harmonic motion with a little bit of a free response question from the AP Classroom. But for the next 3 days, at least Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, that is the plan. If you have any questions, send me a message on Canvas. And Mr. Luke, my son, wants to say hi, apparently. So he is excited and figured out how to use a screwdriver. And hopefully I didn't totally just tank this video. So love you guys. Stay safe. Have a good weekend. And I'll catch you on Monday.